for their key takeaways or their final thoughts. Jimmy, you led us off this afternoon. Perhaps you want to give us a few of your key takeaways.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so in terms of takeaways, so I think, well, first, so there are many, or there are potentially many advantages of using blockchains and smart contracts, for example, in terms of transactions or databases being transparent, traceable, updatable. So there are also challenges. So we need to keep in mind that there are challenges. And my co-speaker today that highlighted, challenges, very important challenges in their implementation. And it's important to keep that in mind because one of the challenge, for example, is adoption, making sure that all the market participants, or all the participants on a given distribution chain will adopt the same technology, or in the market will adopt the same technology. And there are other legal challenges as well. And again, my co-speaker today is better placed than I to talk and discuss these challenges. But it's important to weigh the benefits and the cost before moving forward with solutions like that.
Perfect. Thank you so much. We then heard from Dat. If you'd like to close us out with a few of your final thoughts as well.
Sure. Thank you so much. Yeah. So my one takeaway that I'd like everybody to have from this discussion is that the way I see blockchain technology is really not so much of a technological problem, but actually a human cooperation problem, or not necessarily a problem, but the really barrier to mass adoption is adoption itself. And you'll notice that I've noticed at least in certain governments are quicker, generally the authoritarian governments, but that's because one party or a select group of parties can tell others to, hey, everybody, please adopt this technology, and that can return a lot of benefits. I think one example is the Walmart example with the food recall. If you've ever done business or with Walmart, you'll know that it's either, like, oftentimes their way or the highway, and that maybe good, maybe bad, but in this situation is actually pretty good. They said everybody who wants to be a distributor or work with us has to be blockchain ready by a certain time, and they were. And the benefits of being able to trace your food and recalls are reaped by that cooperation. And so, yeah, it'd be interesting to see how fast we as an industry, and I think even especially in light of COVID-19, I think there's going to be a lot more adoption of technology just because of the, network effects, and also parties much more willing to cooperate.